everybody, Crafting Journey here, that journey chick on Instagram. I have a Diamond Art Club unboxing. You're not going to believe this, but Black Friday, I only bought one Diamond Art Club. This. 2 Dreamer Designs, but one Diamond Art Club. Just trying to be thrifty. Now, when they came out with 20 the next morning, I could have purchased another one. The Apple train, something like that. I really loved it. But by then I was like, I've spent enough money. You have to budget these things, right? And I'm doing the year of landscapes on my channel. So I already have so many landscapes. I don't need any more. But it's beautiful. I might get it at a later time. I don't know. So this box here came in a larger square cardboard box that was branded Diamond Art Club. Plus, they emailed me and said, your order's been delivered. And they were so quiet. I didn't hear the dogs bark or nothing. I don't know when the gnome snuck up and left it on my doorstep. No idea. But here it is. And the box is perfectly protected, luckily. No smashing of the boxes. I'm so over that. Yeah, aren't you? Yeah. But not Diamond Art Club. Nope. All right, so I took off the outer cellophane. We do know that this is a square kit because the emblem on the front is square. DIY Diamond Art Kit, and it does say square. On the back, you have all of the steps to diamond painting, everything that's included in your kit. On the side, you have a barcode, which is just one of several ways that you can get a future discount on your Diamond Art Club purchases. Yep. Let's take a look at what's in the box, shall we? I'm excited about this one, and it's so heavy. Oh my goodness. This one is 98 by 70. What? Yeah, 98 by 70. Okay. Nothing left in the box. So you get a little sticker to put either on the box for when you stack them vertically. Mine is getting up towards the ceiling now. It's pretty high. It's over there. Yeah, it's pretty high. You could put this on there so you could recognize the painting right away, or you could put it into a logbook, or you could put it into a planner. Whatever you want. Nice little sticker. And we got our toolkit. Now, I always do like to take a look at the cool toolkit because I did hear something about some changes that were happening over at Diamond Art Club with the toolkit. And I said, let me check it out. Let's check it out. Nope, not it. Someone told me they had pink tweezers. Now, I did not get pink tweezers. I got black tweezers. I'm disappointed because I'm all about the pink, but they're the pointy ones. Yeah. So we do have quite a few baggies. This I use for when I kit down my painting. So yes, I do save those. If you want to organize your drills and baggies after you're done with the painting, whatever's left over, you get a plastic tray with a funnel on it. You get a squishy to put over your pen, which has drifted away. There it is. A blue pen. You can put the squishy on there. You get 2 pieces of heart wax and a 4-placer, a plastic 4-placer, which I do enjoy that 4-placer. I actually will put that in my little kit down here. I'll put the wax in there too. I saved the wax, I saved the 4-placer, and I saved the tweezers. Okay. This one is also protected in a branded opaque cover. It says, do what makes you sparkle. Here's the drills. Oh my word. Look at all, it's a dark painting. Look at all those drills. Yes. And just looking to see if I can spot the ABs. Looks like there is some green ABs and some white, like some 141s or 142s. Yep, very nice. Then you get a sticker sheet that has all of your stickers that are serrated. You just can peel them off and put them on your Harbor Freight containers or whatever containers you use to paint your painting with. Out of it, it has another sticker. I actually put this on the top of my container, my Harbor Freight container, or you can put it into a logbook. You can say when you started it, when you finished it. This is a painting by Dominic Davison. If you want to follow him on Instagram, he is Art Dom on Instagram. Oh, he has some amazing work. Diamond Art Club has picked up some of it. Dreamer Design has picked up some of his work, but he's got some other work that you just have to see. It's gorgeous. So this is 55 colors and 3 ABs. Blue, yellow, green. 4 ABs. Blue, yellow, green, and a light blue. Okay. I thought I saw some 141s in there, but I guess I did not. No. They must have been just sparkly drills. Then you get the step-by-step instructions to diamond painting. This is a little booklet here. This is another way you can save some money. It has a thank you for your purchase, little note from Angie, the owner, tips and tricks, and how to diamond paint. And then right here is another coupon for future purchase. Yeah, it has a little code there. So that's 2 ways. The third way is inside of the box that this came in, the outer Diamond Art Club branded box. There's a shipping label in there, and that has a coupon on it. Yep. Let's take a look at the painting. So I do like to point out that he's got this gorgeous soft lint canvas. It feels amazing. The edges are serrated so that it prevents fraying. It has this wonderful schematic that has all the symbols, the DMC numbers, and the serial numbers of your painting. Oh, I'm seeing some confetti. Not a lot. No. So this will be in the lower left-hand corner of your painting, the schematic, and as we unroll it, it will be in the upper right-hand corner of your painting. And you always want to roll with the glue outwards, even after you put diamonds on them. Once you've got it all finished, all those diamonds, roll them outwards. If you're sending it somewhere to be framed, or you're sending it to a loved one and you're going to let them frame it, roll the diamonds outwards so they don't pop off. Yeah. Oh, this is such a big painting. Oh my word. It's wide, wider than it is high. I like wide paintings. There we go. All right, there is the schematic that's in the upper right-hand corner. Now down in the lower corner, you're going to see the specifics of the painting. It's called Waiting for Master. You're going to find the size of the painting, 98 by 70, and they'll say Dominic Davison licensed. Yeah, legally licensed. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this cabin. It's more beautiful in person, guys. Oh my God. Look, 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 look. That's gorgeous. Oh my God. There's 2 cabins here. There's one in the back, the one in the front, the one in the back, and then the dogs on the dock waiting for their master. So adorable. Look at the bird up here. There's a, oh my gosh, can you even see that? Look at the bird right here in the sky. We've got that beautiful moon, the mountains in the background. This is just half the painting, guys. We don't even have the whole painting. There's the dogs on the dock. That's amazing. How many dogs? 3, I think. There's a boat tied up here. Now, I guess they're still waiting for the master. Let me just turn it around so I can see what I'm missing. There's a couple of ducks. Oh, a rocking chair on the front porch. Nice. Oh, I'm seeing some really incredible opportunities for additional Aurora Borealis, or maybe just some drills that we can maybe put in these windows to make them maybe glow in the dark, or just there's diamondpaintdrills.com, which I'm an affiliate for. There's a link down in the description. You follow that link, you can make a purchase, and I'll make a small income off that purchase. But they have these drills called Candlelight that would be perfect for these windows. Oh my word. So do you see the rocking chair? There's the rocking chair. Now, whoever owns this house has every light on in the house. Every light. Yes. Because they're waiting for someone to come home, apparently. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Now I'm going to show you a close-up of the drill field so you can get an idea of how clear the symbols are on this painting. And not a lot of confetti. Even in the trees, there's a pretty good amount of color blocking in the sky, in the cabin. Yeah, the water, very nice. I'm not upset with this at all. There is, you know, a fair mixture of both color blocking and confetti, and not like disrespectful confetti. And of course, a lot of people lately have been complaining that, you know, hey, my canvas is just not that sticky. I haven't had that complaint with the Diamond Art Club, you know, but when you feel a portion of the painting, some of the paintings are not, the glue is just not, I don't know if it's evaporating, I don't know if they haven't put enough down, but Diamond Art Club, yes, they put a pretty good amount of glue on their canvases. And it's poured glue. You're not going to get rivers or anything like that on these canvases. You can store them, roll them with the painting outward, put it back in the box. If you store your drills separately on the package, it'll have the number of the painting, which is on the bottom right over where we talked about the artist and the size of the painting, but it also has the name of the painting, Waiting for the Masters. So you just go through your drills and you can find the drills that go with this painting. We are going to take a look at those drills though. Because we want to see the 4 ABs, don't we? Oh my gosh, this is a lot. A lot of drills. Lots of blue. Oh my gosh, yes, okay. So this, $8.90, 3 bags of $8.90. These are the darker drills. Diamond Art Club drills are packaged by weight, and then they are rolled up. So the larger amounts of drills are going to be on the outer side of your packages. So here we have 137, which is the blue AB. Very pretty, very pretty. Lots of blues. Lots of darker drills, 934, 312. I'm not seeing any 310, at least not yet. Here's some more greens, some more blues, some 37.99. So that is one of our ABs there. More blue. Green, lots of blue and green. I just love it. This is one of my favorite colors right here, $9.95, 2 bags of $9.95. 2 full bags of this green AB, guys. Take a look at that. OMG. Wow. Now this 125, this is what I thought was, okay, so I thought it was a light blue, and it is not. It's more of a off-white. Yeah. Not as white as maybe a 141, but 125. It's almost like a snowy type of a white, like a 3865 color. Yeah. See, if you actually put it next to white, it comes out looking a little bluish. Yeah. And I don't think we found the last one. Not yet. More blues and greens. 33.71. 3 bags of that. $8.23, a couple of bags of that. $9.96. So we got 2 bags of $9.95, 2 bags of $9.96. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And the last AB. Did we see them all? We didn't see the yellow one. The orangish one. Oh, here it is. You don't get a lot of it. Here, it's 132. There's not, you gotta shake it in order to see it. There it is. Yeah, it's just a smattering of that Aurora Borealis color. I suspect it's gonna be in those windows that we talked about. So now I gotta put them all back. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I am happy to bring it to you, and I hope to see you on the Ticket to Ride event, which is sponsored by Diamond Art Club. If you would like to sign up to participate in this event, you can go to the Facebook group Ticket to Ride Destination Paris, answer a couple of questions. We just want to know how long you've been diamond painting and if this is your first event. Yes, just answer those questions. We'll let you in, and then you can sign up. You can fill out the passport application. Let us know what your destination is and join us for some fun. There's going to be games and prizes all through this event. You get to earn tickets. Towards the end of the event, we will have lots of sponsors, including Diamond Art Club. You can put however many tickets you've earned on whatever prizes you want to win. You can put all your tickets on one prize, some on another, some you can spread them out. They're your tickets, it's your prizes, you choose which ones you want to go for. So, and it's going to be lots of fun. You'll be able to participate through my YouTube channel, through my Instagram post, and through the Facebook group, which is moderated by my co-host, Cheryl Katz. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching, everybody.